everyone, I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and I'm in this neglected corner of my backyard to kick off an exciting new contest with 3 fellow bloggers and my friends at Ryobi Outdoor. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll be transforming our outdoor spaces into amazing hangout spots for friends and family, and we want you to get in on the action. I'm sharing all the details on how you can win up to $500 in Ryobi Outdoor products over on my Instagram page, so click the link below to check it out. As you can see behind me, this area of our backyard is a mess. I've got big plans for this space though, so let me give you a quick tour.
This corner of the yard has always been dark and dirty. It's shaded by the deck on one side and an evergreen magnolia on the other. I plan to trim the lower branches of the tree with the Ryobi 40-volt pole saw to bring some more light into the space. The concrete path leads to the walkout basement door, both of which are covered with moss and mildew. This is a pretty common sight in the Pacific Northwest with all the rain we get. I'll be using the Ryobi 2300 PSI electric pressure washer to tackle both the concrete and this sorry-looking fence. This ridiculously tall sprinkler will be converted to a drip irrigation system for this side of the yard. It will conserve water and actually reach the plants that need it. You can see that the roots of this tree are practically climbing out of the ground after years of rain washed away the soil. I'll be installing a small retaining wall and backfilling the dirt in this corner to make the tree happy again. This area along the fence is overgrown with weeds and vines and littered with leaves. I'll use the Ryobi string trimmer to cut it all back, then suck up the debris with the Ryobi Vac Attack leaf mulcher for a clean garden bed. The back of the house is a mess of conduit from some electrical work we had done. The meter used to be in that wooden frame, which I quickly covered to prevent anything from getting in. I'll patch the siding correctly, then hide the rest of the mess with a planter wall filled with shade-loving ferns. Almost nothing grows in this flower bed, so I want to put it to better use. I'll dig out the rocks and those lilies and remove about 2 feet of grass from the yard. Then I'll use the Ryobi cultivator to loosen up the soil so I can level it out to create a gravel patio. This new seating area will feature curved benches and a small propane fire pit for those cool summer nights. I'm really looking forward to giving this area a complete overhaul. We don't use our backyard as much as we should, and this new hangout spot right off the basement family room will extend our living space outdoors and make it a relaxing retreat. Follow along with me every week for updates on my progress and join in on the fun. Submit a before and after photo of your own outdoor space on Instagram for a chance to win $500 in outdoor tools. You can find all the details in my blog post with the link below. Good luck!